TP-Link Deco Mesh WiFi system up to 5,500 sq.ft. Whole home coverage and 100 plus devices Wi-Fi router extender replacement, parental controls Anitivirus, seamless ROAMING, Deco M5 3-pack. JD Power Award, highest in customer satisfaction for wireless routers 2017 and 2019. If you're looking to ditch your traditional router extender setup for a whole home Wi-Fi system, put the TP-Link Deco M5 Wi-Fi system on your shortlist. PC Mag said. Better coverage than traditional Wi-Fi routers. Deco M5 uses 3 units working seamlessly to create a mesh network that can cover homes up to 500 square feet. No dead zone anymore. Seamless and stable Wi-Fi rather than Wi-Fi range extender that need multiple network names and passwords. Deco M5 allows you to enjoy seamless roaming throughout the house with a single network name and password. TP-Link unique adaptive routing technology automatically chooses the fastest path for every device and allows for more flexible placement than a satellite system. Secure WiFi Mesh Network. Protect your network and connected devices with a free lifetime subscription to TP-Link HomeCare-featuring next-level antivirus, robust parental controls, and codes. Easy to set up. Download the TP-Link Deco app, plug in your system, and follow the instructions to get your new home network up and running in minutes. Works with Alexa as well. Industry-leading 2-year and 24/7 technical support. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.